Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix triple click not opening guided access in iPhone 15 Pro Max. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on accessibility. Now here, scroll down to the general section and here click on guided access. And here you will see a guided access button. If you want to turn on guided access, then turn on this button. So now open an app in which you want to use guided access, and now when you triple click side button, it will show a guided access option. So now you can start guided access to this app. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.